This is Ragnarok for DS. Me doing the third boss.
So you don't care if it's good.
Yeah, over here.
You just care if you can see the kids go walking.
Okay. I might try the level.
And then we get to the part to probably show them the map, right?
Yeah. Oh yay! Base level. Oh, job level. I'm level 17 now. Oh, come on. Alright.
But are you doing going?
No, I'm going the right way.
Oh, whatever.
Come on. Make sure you have some patience before you battle this boss, because this one's very hard.
What?
No.
You need the girl to
You already
Sierra?
have the girl.
The Sierra.
You start with the girl, so you don't have to tell them.
to put
No.
out recovery, mostly because if you
Okay. When we get to the
she feels quick, but
boss room,
taking some time.
yeah.
And if you can see her hair, I don't care.
That's your hair.
No story.
There we go. Look at Doodle wall. Doodle boss one before though. Not used to DS work, and if you're wondering, Soul Silver walked through on Sunday, not Friday, since I just found out that we couldn't buy it Thursday.
Can I make it?
No.
Come on. After can I make a video?
No.
After.
I don't know. Okay, so this part. Alright.
Okay, when you get to this thing. Stop. Wait, stop. Let me show them the map. Okay, once you get to the portal at the other part, you'll end up here.
At the floor 3. Floor below 3 floor. So this is the boss. Well, we're close to boss. So.
And if you guys are wondering, my YouTube name is Thankful.
No, they already know. They don't care about you. Even me, they don't even care about me. Oh, wrong way, dang. Damn it. Last time I did this mistake too.
Holy smart. Yeah, I don't care.
And this is Friday.
Yeah.
What was that?
Usually they don't miss Sunday.
I'm trying to level Sierra up.
Yeah, she's slow as level 1.
Yeah, but she heals. She's pretty. She's very handy
on healing.
Yeah.
And she uses spiritual comfort.
Spiritual comfort. Yeah, idiot.
Whatever.
I like the music here. If I can't be the boss, I'm gonna ask for tips. Please.
Or you guys make it walkable.
Yeah.
Oh look! Suddenly I thought my hand was over here.
What did I do? Oh, I got a white potion.
For some reason I thought my hand was over here.
Oh, where am I supposed to go? What the?
Look at the map.
Oh my gosh. Look at the wrong way again. I know. C, not. Man.
Oh, I'm so tired.
I hate this place so much.
How long has it been since you started? 5 minutes, okay. I can skip longer than that.
Finally I found that.
I can skip like for 5 or like 10 minutes. Okay.
If I get the box and then nope.
Can we just make
I'm just
another?
showing the parts that I hope to get through. Like,
Can we make another part since it's almost ending?
yeah, that's what I was planning to do.
Are you gonna stop it right now?
No.
Okay. I already found the rude zombie. My neck. Oh no, battery's low.
Your personality. There we go.
Okay. I'm a monster. Hello.
Okay.
Ooh, big dude. Oh, that's a Dark Knight.
I might stop here.
Oh my
Okay, we're gonna stop here.
God.
See ya.